Yo, so welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. Here we are for another one. We're going to unbox something that I ordered from Aliexpress. But is it what I ordered? I promised you a fully proportional 1/76 scale drift car, but it's not what they sent. Still 1/76 scale, still fully proportional, RC car, about the size of a Hot Wheel. So without further ado, let's open the box, see whether it's any good. So here it is, Turbo Racing. I'm not sure what exactly it is. Where's the end? So here we go. Manual. Do we need to read the manual? Oh, bits and bobs. We don't need that. So. Alright, so it looks like we have 2 spare body shells ready to paint, and all the gubbins. So it looks like the windscreen, lights and everything else. That's kind of cool. I don't know what colour I would paint it. Oh, and here's the car. Look just how dinky that is. Haha, it's teeny weeny. As I said, about the size of a Hot Wheel. Then, okay, so we've got half a radio, whole radio. Looks to me, this slides on like so. Feels quite good. It's got different channels, different things. Batteries. Alright, what else is in the box? Okay, charger. So I'm guessing this must be USB-C. Yep, USB-C. That goes in here. Awesome. Plug it in, charge it. Wickedy woo. So apparently this is, you can change the wheelbase. And it's fully proportional with lights, underglow lights. There's rubber tires, like I said. They do the same one, but it's a drift car. Oh, there she is. Look at that. How cool is that? Is it fully proportional? It is when you turn the radio on. Where's the switch? On. Oh, strobing. Let's have a look. It is. It's quite fast as well. Brakes. Reverse. What else? What's this do? Oh, lights off. Underglow. Lights on. And it doesn't do like brake lights or anything. Strobing drift art. Let's have a look at the shells. Looks like a Hellcat or something. I don't know. What's in the bag? Oh, little bits. Oh, screws. Okay, so windscreen. Looks like that's the back end. Is that a front bumper or something? Okay. Splitter for the front. I'm guessing that goes in there. Yeah. That's kind of cool. Spoiler. Little bitty spoiler. I think my fingers are too big. Tail lights. Front lights. And 2 spare screws. That's kind of cool. And you get 2 of those. So if you mess one up painting it, you get a second go. Or you can have 2 or 3 different colours. That's ace. That's a nice little feature. Oh, I like it. Alright, let's have a look at this transmitter. So, I have all your normal gubbins here, on off switch, channel control for lights, as you saw, and then this kind of magazine slides up in here. So it needs 4 AAA batteries. Ammo is in. Slider home and twist the Ujima flip. And then switch her on. Okay, so let's have a little gander. Apparently, obviously, as I've shown you, you can change the body shell on this, the wheelbase, and also I believe the battery is removable and replaceable. So let's take these 2 little screws here out and see how much of this falls apart and whether I can get it back together again. Oh, that just slips up like that. Well, there it is. How cool is that? So the lights just clip in. The front spoiler seems to just push in. And there's the rear valance, front splitter. And there it is. How cool is that? I wonder if you could take apart a Hot Wheels and replace the body shell with a metal Hot Wheels. That'd be really cool. So I guess that's stuck down, but look, you've got a little plug here for the battery and another extra plug. I wonder what that's for. It's a 3.7 volt 75 milliamp hour battery. Wow, the power. Does that mean it could be upgraded? Be interesting. Yeah, so USB-C battery. As you can see, the board, it's all integral. The LEDs. Nice. Time for a rip. Let's take this little fella and chuck it on a little track that we made out of just rubbish. So 1/76 scale tabletop racing. Is it the future of beers? Could be good fun. A few beers, tabletop racing. I don't know. It's pretty tricky to drive. It's powerful enough, not enough grip, and like the dust and dirt does kind of affect the way it handles, but amazingly good fun. Maybe it's the future of Hot Wheels. Maybe we should modify it. Maybe we should send it to the moon. Let us know down below. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Smash the bell. Laters.